Make sense?
Okay, for reals now.
Okay.
For reals now. Okay,
For real,
reals
friends.
now. For real, for real. For real, for real.
Oh, wait.
I'm just taking out the trash.
We're doing this for real,
Give
for
me
real.
a thing
real,
that
for
I
real.
want. Please and thank you.
Doing this for
Kitty,
real.
why? I don't want that,
Realsies.
Kitty. I don't
This is the
want
real
this
deal
either,
right here.
Kitty.
Ooh.
Wait,
Good
we
God,
have to
Gunther.
have the same exact card. Like,
Yes.
all three have to be the same exact.
Yep.
Yes. Sadness.
This is sad. This is very sad. This is fudge. Oh my
Fudgesicles.
god.
Just give me a thing I want.
Has anyone even seen a pear yet?
I have a pair.
I thought I had.
Then I realized I was mistaken. I thought I had a pair too, and I was like, oh, this
Kitty,
is
you're
gonna.
building up a backlog.
Dude, you guys are giving me nothing. You
Gosh
y'all
darn it,
are
guys,
me.
get good.
Nutting. I have
Nutting.
nutting.
Wait. Oh my god. I got a
Oh!
Wait,
Yes.
you do? Wait, do we stop?
Huh?
I have 3.
Okay, so grab an egg. Now Kitty's out.
I kind of like this. It's very chaotic.
Mm-hmm.
It's like Sushi Go without the complicated math.
I like chaos.
Do you live for chaos? Again, I am the trash bin, apparently.
Yeah, you're trash.
Oh, it's me. Oh, like me. I'm trash. I'm trash. Now there's like a wide gap between us.
You gotta pass them across the table.
I probably should have moved over. I didn't think this through, kids. Oh my god. It's like passing sarsaparilla.
Keep up. Oh god damn it! I thought that was a thing.
Don't panic, Lakota. It's only a game.
A fast game.
Ah! Ah!
I
Mm.
don't want this.
Ah! Gosh!
God.
Ah! Ah! Bye, Christian.
Oh, you grabbed one already? I didn't even see.
See?
Okay. Damn.
Be going,
I
Christian.
didn't get one.
Oh, you didn't keep it though? I was afraid to pass that around. Okay. So then one of you has to be the dealer now.
I had 2 of something. So
I
was
like being the trash, so.
So you have to be the dealer.
Yeah, you want to put this in?
I didn't kick you out of the game.
What cards do I even have? Oh,
Wow.
I started the game with 3.
There you go. That's it. That's the game.
Yay!
I'm
got
Egg
it.
Lord.
You're excellent.
I'm excellent. I'm exemplary.